Hello, my dear students. I hope you are well by the grace of God. Now we are passing a very critical moment. COVID-19, that means coronavirus, has attacked all over the world. All the people in this world are passing very critical moment because we do not know when we will be affected and what is in store for us. As Bangladesh government has taken some steps to lessen the problem of students, all the educational institutions are closed due to COVID-19. The students are suffering a lot. To remove the problems, we are going to take some online classes. I am Vijay Krishna Hardar, the head teacher of Shakpa DNGC High School. I am trying to discuss about narration. The students of class 8 to 10, be attention and listen to me what I say. Our discussion matter is narration. Narration, N-A-R-R-A-T-I-O-N. Its Bengali meaning ukti. Ukti. There are two kinds of narration in English grammar, such as direct narration, D-I-R-E-C-T, N-A-R-R-A-T-I-O-N, direct narration, and indirect narration, I-N-D-I-R-E-C-T, indirect narration. Direct, its Bengali means Puttokho, Puttokho Ukti, and indirect Parokho Ukti, Parokho Ukti. It is very important part of English grammar. If any student wants to solve this narration, he is to know many things such as the knowledge of person, the knowledge of person, the knowledge of case, the knowledge of tense, sentences, SENTENCES, according to meaning, such as assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, objective sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Actually, narration is formed according to sentences. So, sentence, you have to know the basic knowledge of sentence according to meaning. And the nearest word will be changed. Nearest word will be changed into farthest word. F-A-R-T-H-E-S-T, farthest word. All these things are very essential for completing narration. Be attention. I am giving an example. The man says, I am ill. The man says, I am ill. It is assertive sentence. Here reporting verb, R-E-P-O-R-T-I-N-G. Here reporting verb is says. Reporting verb is says. And I am ill, it is reported speech. It is reported speech. And it is in direct narration. Direct, D-I-R-E-C-T. Direct narration. এখন এটাকে আমরা indirect narration করব. The man says, here reported speech is in assertive sentence and here reporting verb is says. It is past present tense. So indirect narration, the man says that. Here conjunction is that. The man says that. Here I. We have to know the rules of person changing. Person. Here I is first person. We know that first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. And second person of reported speech will be changed into the object of reporting verb. And third person will not be changed. So here first person I, it will be changed according to the subject the man. The man says that he as it is present indefinite tense, and reporting verb is present tense. So here the tense will not be changed. Here only the person will be changed. The man says that he is ill. Now it is indirect narration. The man says I am ill. The man says that he is ill. Now I am going to another example. I said to him, you have taken, T-A-K-E-N, you have taken my pencil, P-N-C-I-L, pencil. Write down the sentence on your khata. I said to him, you have taken my pencil. Here, reporting verb said. And reported speech, you have taken my pencil. It is in present perfect tense. Mind it, you have taken my pencil. It is in present perfect tense. Now its indirect narration will be I as it has object, as reporting verb has object. So we must use said instead of said. We must use told. I told him that. Here second person you. It will be changed into the object of reporting verb. That means him. You will be changed with him. Here I told him that. Here he as it is present perfect tense, so it will be changed into past perfect tense according to the rules of corresponding past tense. We know corresponding past tense, if the sentence is in present, if the reporting verb is in present indefinite tense, that means says or tells. Reported speech will not be changed. It will be changed only the person. Not changed. But if the reporting verb is in past indefinite tense, so reported speech will be changed into the corresponding past tense. If reported speech is in present indefinite tense, it will be changed into past indefinite. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. And past indefinite, it will be changed into past perfect. It is the rules of corresponding past tense. I told him that he, as it is in present perfect tense, so reported speech will be changed into past perfect tense. He had. Have will be changed had in had. He had taken. He had taken. T-A-K-E-N. Taken. Here my. It is first person. Possessive case. So all the first person of reporting speech will be changed into the subject of reporting verb. Reporting verb. Here subject is I. So it will be unchanged. It will be unchanged. I told him that he had taken my pencil. My pencil. Understand, my dear students? I said to him, you have taken my pencil. Here it is in present perfect tense, and the reporting verb is past tense in said. So it will be changed into past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Thank you very much. We will learn more next class. For this time, you may keep well and you may stay at home and keep yourself free from coronavirus. Wash your hands according to the hygiene. Thank you very much. Please.